Three of a Kind was filmed before a live studio audience.
This is for you.
This is for me?
Mm-hmm.
I'm bored.
The note said I'm bored.
Yes, I actually read it out loud.
Well, it's just boring, that's all.
Look, I have to read this for work, okay?
Okay, but you just been on the couch all day.
Well,
so
yeah,
it's kinda lazy
there's a
to
reason
me.
for that. Look at my foot.
So?
Look, again. The bandage around it.
So I don't know, I thought that was a fashion statement in the 80s, but...
Paulson, I'm injured.
Oh! Well, that would explain the couch.
Can you just make yourself useful and get me something for my pain?
Fine, I'll go to the store. What do you need?
Painkiller maybe for my pain. That'd be great.
Okay, painkiller. Anything else?
That's it. That's it. Okay. Oh, wait, cereal. Give me some cereal. Cereal. Oh, and Popular Mechanics.
Popular Mechanics?
Yeah, the magazine.
What do you need Popular Mechanics for?
I like looking at the pictures of mechanics. What?
Okay, 3. Do you want this in a golden bag?
No, I'd like you to remember it, actually. Why don't you write it down?
Remember, I've got an elephant's brain. Never forget a thing.
Yeah, right. Just write it down.
Painkillers, Popular Mechanics, and the third thing you said.
Peace! The third thing is cereal! Cereal! Ooh. Much better.
Hey Gibson, I got you that puppy you wanted.
I didn't ask for a puppy. What do you?
You owe me $400.
I didn't say a puppy. I said Popular Mechanics, painkillers, and cereal.
I don't know about that.
No, that's what I asked for. I didn't ask for a damn dog.
Well, you better find something to do with it, because this dog is non-refundable.
Don't put it down. No, don't put it down. No.
Why are you freaking out?
I'm allergic to dogs.
But how was I supposed to know that you were allergic?
That was our first conversation. Think back. Hey.
How's it going?
Pretty good.
Are you here for the room too?
Yeah, you too?
Yeah, I read there was like 3 rooms open.
Oh, that's crazy.
So we might actually be roommates.
Yeah. Mike Gibson.
Jeff Paulson.
Hey, nice to meet you.
Pleasure to meet you.
Yeah, I'm allergic to dogs, by the way.
I'll remember that.
Yeah. All right.
It's a nice jacket.
Oh, it keeps me warm, you know?
Yeah, I know. I'm a little cold out here. It's just, you know, I should have probably worn a jacket.
Oh, did you want to borrow this?
Oh, I don't know.
You know what? Hey, new roomie.
All right,
borrow
cool.
this.
Tell you what, just for the weekend.
No, that's
All
not
right,
like
nice.
that.
You know, if we were home, we'd be home by now.
Yeah. Is anyone even home?
I don't think so. Whether that's true or not, this dog's here to stay. Because it makes us once again 3 of a kind. I think I'll call him Christian. Christian Paulson.
Something special that can shine through. Heaven in your lifetime, and I feel like when you cry, I will be right there for you until the day I die. You can count on me, no matter what you do. You can count on me, no matter where you go. You can count on me.
Why don't you like me, Mike Gibson? I like you. I think you're great.
Ha! It was me the whole time! Here you go. See, Christian pulse isn't so bad.
Yeah, I guess not.
See?
I'm not sneezing anymore.
Ah, that's awesome. You're cured.
That's weird. Maybe it's just I had to get used to the dog or something.
Well, looks like the long search for a roommate is over. Welcome to the family. Man, I can't believe the dog threw up on you. That's gotta suck.
Yeah, actually it does.
Oh man, I got dog hair on me. This is the worst day ever.
Good Christian.
Hey, Christian.
Good Christian.
Welcome into the family.
Hey, I'm gonna rub Christian's belly. Huh?
Oh, Christian's throwing up on you.
Oh. Great. Let's get this off me, maybe?
Yeah, here you go.
That'd be awesome.
Hey.
Oh, God. Napkin or something, guys? Jeez.
I'm sorry. Oh god, really gross.
Oh, God.
Did you do that on camera?
Oh, God.
Oh god, you went through it. Oh, I'm sorry, dude. I'm gonna be laughing. Oh. Holy shit.